Hello students, in this video we are going to solve question number 6. If the work done by a body on application of a constant force is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body, it's the concept of physics which is correlated with mathematics. It's given that the work done is directly proportional to the distance traveled where the force is constant. Express this form of an equation in the variable and draw the graph for it if the constant force value is 5 units. Also read from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units and 0 units. So first we have to frame the equation. Come on, let's solve this question. It's given in the question that work done is directly proportional to distance traveled. It is clearly mentioned in the question that the work done is directly proportional to distance traveled. Directly proportional means what? If work done will increase, if one value increases, the other value also increases. It's directly proportional. Now, when we remove this proportionality sign, we replace it with equal to, and with that we put a constant. So in question, it is clearly given that force is constant. So when we will replace this sign of proportionality by equal to, here force will come constant force and into distance. So work done is force into distance. Okay, now we have to frame the equation. So let us consider कि work done be x and distance traveled be y. Because force is constant, we will not consider force as any variable. वर्क डन और डिस्टेंस को हमें क्वेश्चन में दिया है तो हम वर्क डन और डिस्टेंस को कंसीडर करेंगे. लेट अस कंसीडर दैट वर्क डन x है और डिस्टेंस y है. सो इन दिस इक्वेशन इन प्लेस ऑफ वर्क डन x विल कम, इन प्लेस ऑफ डिस्टेंस y विल कम. सो द इक्वेशन बिकम्स x इज इक्वल टू f इंटू y, फोर्स इंटू डिस्टेंस, f इंटू y. But in the question also it's given that the constant force is 5 units. It's clearly mentioned in the question. So in place of force we will write 5. So see, in place of force I wrote 5. So the equation became x is equal to 5y. This is the required equation, linear equation. Now we will draw graph of this. The part which we have to solve consists of y. उसमें y है तो we will assume the value of y. Here I will assume the value of y as 0 and second time 1. मैं एक बार y की वैल्यू को 0 लूंगी और एक बार y की वैल्यू को 1 लूंगी. When I considered y equal to 0, तो इस इक्वेशन में 0 पुट करने पर y की जगह पर 5 into 0, 0. तो x value is 0. Means when y is 0, x is also 0. And now I will consider y as 1. So y equal to 1. तो यहाँ पर हो गया x इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 1, 5 इंटू 1. सो द आंसर इज 5. मतलब जब y की वैल्यू 1 है तो x की वैल्यू 5 है. नाउ दीज आर द कोऑर्डिनेट्स. वी विल प्लॉट ग्राफ विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस कोऑर्डिनेट. सो द ग्राफ इज like this. On x-axis I will take 1 unit and on y-axis also I will take 1 unit. The scale I will consider as 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Now come on, let us start plotting the points. 0, 0. Value is 0, 0. दोनों 0, 0 पर मतलब कहाँ पर हो गया? ओरिजिन पर. And the second value is 1 and 5. X axis 5, y axis 1. So x axis का 5 ये रहा और y axis का 5 ये रहा. Okay? x axis पर क्या लिया है हमने? x को माना है डिस्टेंस. So it is on x axis. This is distance. Sorry, on x axis that is work done. So on x axis we will take work done. And on y axis that is distance. So here I will take distance on y axis. हमने distance को y लिया है, work done को x लिया है. So on x axis work done and on y axis distance. X axis का 5, y axis का 1. Here these are the 2 points. We will join these 2 points with the help of scale. With the help of scale, keep it like that and join it. This is the required linear graph. अब इसमें ये पूछा है कि what will be the distance traveled by the body if work done is 2 units. Sorry, from the graph the work done when the distance traveled by the body is 2 units. Distance 2 unit है. ओके जब डिस्टेंस 2 यूनिट होगा तो वर्क डन कितना होगा. सो कम ऑन लेट अस सॉल्व हियर. हमारी इक्वेशन थी x इक्वल टू 5y. आवर इक्वेशन वॉज x इक्वल टू 5y. सो व्हेन डिस्टेंस, नाउ डिस्टेंस इज y. ओके सो व्हेन डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड इज 2 यूनिट, तो हम y की जगह पर 2 पुट करेंगे. सो 5 2 जा 10. सो इन दिस वे द वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू 10 यूनिट्स. एंड in the second case if distance traveled is 0 unit, distance 0 unit होगा. distance हमने y axis पर लिया है, y को लिया है, so in place of y in equation I will put 0. so here work done is equal to 5 into 0 0 units, मतलब work done होगा 0 units. so when distance is 2 unit work done will be 10 units, and when distance is 0 unit so work done will also 0. In the next video we will see question number 7.